Hi, how you doing? Okay, so we giving the house tour, right? So the house is a little junky, but here's the shoe rack because they do not allow any shoes in the house. No shoes. Okay. Excuse the couch. We about to go out. We about to head out in a few. Oh, can't show that. Say hi to the vlog.
What's up, vlog?
Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, yeah. So that's the couch. It's junky. Gonna fix that up. Y'all gonna see later. I'm gonna fix that up. I just literally just woke up. This is my little area that's messed up. It's the TV. Yes, TV. This is the dining area, which needs to be cleaned up because the boys just finished eating. Now here is the kitchen. Walk back here. Here's the first bedroom. I don't know if she's dressed. It's open? Yeah. Are you dressed? Yes. Okay. Here is the room Missy was in. Y'all see, she has the big bed. She got the big bed. The big bed, you know. And then it's mad spacious. It's mad spacious. She need to make up that bed. Yeah. Oh, there's the ma again. There's mama. Then here is the boys' bed. What? Mama, come pick up this pillow off the floor. So yeah, so that is the Mai's bedroom, right? It's a 2-bedroom. This is the little closet area. They don't have nothing hanged up there. And then here is the bathroom. There's 2 parts to it. That's the tub, shower, a little basic, right? So, you know, that's the house. I'm gonna do an individual, like, area of every room so y'all can literally see, like, well, y'all see the individual part of every room, cleaned up how it was looking, because it's kind of messy right now. But I wanted to give y'all that. When we go outside, I'm going to give the tour of the outside part so y'all can see that and get a feel of how it looks in here. Just in case y'all want to book it, I have the info down below. It's really calm and mellow for the most part. It's clean. It was clean. I just have to straighten up a little bit in here. Definitely got to straight up because it's New Year's. Got to bring in the New Year's in a clean environment. And stuff like that. But I'll be back, y'all.